Hi everyone, this is Sam from the Sandalas shop. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Welcome to our Sandalas training videos. In today's video, we will be making the Bear Sandala. Starting with the usual eraser rake to make a clean and even canvas. Next, the pointy end of our eraser rake to create the center design. Following this, we'll use the shorty rake in a bounce pattern around the outside of the center design. Then, proceed with the square rake in an up and down motion to create the third design. Now, using the pen, we'll finish with a bounce pattern for the last design. Finally, using the pen, we'll outline the outer edge of our sandala. Moving on, we'll do the edges between our designs. There you have it, the Bear Sandala. I hope you enjoyed today's sandala. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials and have a beautiful day.